Hey, what's going on? Rakeem Madison here, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about the Quora Partner Program, all right? And if you want to learn a new way to make money with Quora, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, be sure to smash that subscribe button if you want to learn how to build a long, sustainable business that will eventually give you the freedom you deserve. Also, tick that bell icon to be notified so that anytime I release any new videos, you get them automatically right here on the channel. All right, so with that being said, let's jump right into today's content. All right, so as you can see, this is an email from Quora. They invited me to join their Quora Partner Program. So let me just go ahead and just say this. So since you're seeing I was invited, this is invite only. Now here's a few things that I'm going to recommend that you do to possibly, so they will send you this same email and invite you, is to get active on Quora. Start answering questions in your free time. Guys, we have tons of hours within the day, right? After you go to work or maybe when you're on break, start getting active on Quora. I did a few videos here on my channel and I'll link them down below in the description, showing you pretty much how I use it for affiliate marketing and now how I'm going to be implementing using it for the Quora Partner Program. Okay, it's pretty much the same process, but I'm going to go over, the potential of income that you can make. There is no guarantee of any of this stuff, but I want to show you what other people have been making, right? And what literally a question can make you. All right, so let's go ahead and go over to Quora. All right, so this is basically how you're going to get paid. Let me just simplify this. All right, so as a partner, you can earn money by asking questions that many people want answers to and by requesting qualified writers to answer your questions. All right, so that's how you get paid. Now let's go in a little bit more detail. You get paid as your questions and requests produce, here's the key word right here, useful answers that others discover either on Quora or elsewhere on the web. All right, and as you can see, you make money from the advertising revenue earned from answers you help produce. Okay, so think of it like this. On YouTube, right, in Google, you have AdSense. And so when you watch a video on YouTube, 9 times out of 10, you're going to see an advertisement pop up before the video starts. The creators on that channel are making money for the amount of people that are going to view their video and people that are actually clicking through. Okay, that's what creators make money from. So Quora is similar to that, right? Now you're answering questions, and as you can see here, you make money from the advertising revenue earned from answers you help produce. So same concept, guys. You're making money just for answering questions, and Quora is going to pay you depending, how, I don't like to use the word viral in this case, but if your post is generating some answers, you got people that are top writers answering on that, you're going to benefit from it, all right? All right, so that's the simplified, that's how the program works. Now let's actually go to the dashboard and show you what the dashboard looks like. It's pretty similar to just the regular Quora. The only difference is you got these tabs over here and then this right here for the question suggestions, okay? Everything else as far as like the different topics, right? You're really literally just doing the same thing as I went over in my other videos where I was talking about using Quora for affiliate marketing. You're still solving people's problems. You're still doing that. But you're also asking questions. Now, you may ask a question and that question may make you a good chunk of money, and I'm going to show you the potential, okay? Results are not guaranteed, but I'm going to show you the potential. All right, so question value insights. All right, so take a look at this, guys. This question right here, where do you think people will go to place personal ads now that Craigslist will no longer have them due to the FOSTA bill passing? So check this out. This one question generated almost $4,400. That one question. That one question, guys. So just think about that. You may ask a question that generates a ton of engagement, right? And people that want to answer that question. And boom, that's $4,400 for whoever that is that created that question. All right, so let's keep going. How can I screenshot a Facebook story without the person who posted it finding out? $465 from that simple question. Okay, now let's keep going. What restaurant delivers food and accept cash? That generated $300, guys, and so on and so on. You can see just simple questions are generating you money. Now, let me go down to the least amount of money that you can make, because as you can see, this is categorized $100 and up, $10 to $100, $1 to $10, and 1 cent to $1. Let's go down, because I don't want you to think that you're just going to create a question and boom, it's just going to just blow up. Now, for some people, it has, right? And these are just average people that are answering questions. You do have some people who are the top writers who are generating income as well, but some of these people are actually average people who haven't made any money online, right? They're just answering questions and solving problems. And really, that's plain and simple. That's really how you make money. You solve people's problems. That's what Quora allows you to do. All right, so let's check it out. So this post made 99 cents. Imagine just answering a question. You just made $1 for the day, right? You do it again tomorrow, you make 25 cents. Or you do it again the next day, you make $2, right? So there's value in this, guys, especially for the people who, you know, maybe you find, you know, you're bored throughout the day. Just go answer some questions and make some money. But like I said, it is invite only, so you really got to become active on the regular Quora, okay? So this is the Partner Program dashboard, but let's say if I go to home, now if I were to answer questions, I'm just answering them. I wouldn't be making any money. So how did I get to that? So since I was invited, so when I click on my picture right here, all I have to do is go boom, Partner Program, and this is going to change to that view. Okay, so you saw the income potential that you can make with this as long as you're active and your stuff is something that people want to answer on and they're upvoting and it's getting a lot of attention, and that comes with building your following. And that's just like on any platform. You build up enough following, you're going to have a ton of traffic every single month. So like check right here, right? So if I go to statistics, matter of fact, I'll just go to my profile so you can see it. So check this out, guys. So far, I have 21,000 answer views, and just this month alone, I had almost 3,000 views this month. Okay. Now let's go even more in depth into the stats, guys. I just want you to see that Quora is a very powerful platform for you to be marketing your business on, and I don't mean spamming people, providing so much value to that they start to follow you and want to know where else are you at on the internet, right? And then they start following you somewhere else. All right, so that's the last 30 days. Now let's look at the last 7 days. So the last 7 days, I have 553 eyes on questions that I have answered. And some of those questions have my YouTube videos. Some of those questions have affiliate links, which I don't recommend you use every single answer. You want to spread it out. You know, the 80-20 rule, right? You want to do it exactly like that, right? Keep some distance between your affiliate links, all right? All right, so let's check over the last 3 months and see what I've done. All right, 7,000 in the last 3 months. So guys, this is free traffic from me just answering people's questions. That's what blows my mind. It's just like YouTube, right? Before they put the requirements in where you have to have 1,000 subscribers and at least 4,000 hours of watch time within a 12-month span, which my YouTube channel meets that, but a lot of other creators, theirs may not necessarily meet those requirements, right? So this is another way for you to come in, because it's still sort of new, because like I said, they're in invite only right now. So if you get on Quora, you start providing value and answering people's questions, they're most likely, it's not a guarantee, because I don't know necessarily when they're going to make it just so that you can just become a part of the program without being invited. All right. So really, that's really it, guys. You're literally answering questions once you become a part of the program, and asking questions as well. And if those questions generate enough, answers, and people are upvoting or responding, you're gonna make money from it, as I just showed you within the insights. All right. So literally that's it. Hopefully you got some value from this video. And if you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, if you want to learn my #1 recommended way to make $100 to $300 a day, go ahead and click the link down below in the description. It's going to take you over to my #1 recommended system to make some income on the internet. All right, so with that being said, definitely give me a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video, my friend. Peace.